Ultimea Aura A30 Soundbar 5.1 channel soundbar. Main features are: Ultimea Aura A30 is a highly compact, budget-friendly 5.1 channel virtual surround sound system engineered to deliver an immersive home theater experience in small to medium rooms. 6 high-performance drivers. The complete system splits audio across 3 main front channels built into the central bar for crisp dialogue, 2 separate satellite surround speakers, and 1 wired subwoofer. Surround X Spatial Tech employs advanced AI-powered algorithms to simulate real-time sound movement across the environment, converting standard stereo tracks into a virtual 360-degree theater field. 250-watt peak power output pumps out substantial dynamic volume tuned optimally for smaller living spaces ranging between 108 to 215 square feet. 121 preset EQ matrices. Delivers an expansive library of pre-tuned digital sound profiles tailored to match highly specific genres and acoustic conditions. 6 adjustable surround levels. Features a specialized layout that lets you independently scale the volume and intensity of the surround speakers across 6 different steps. Bluetooth 5.3 wireless offers a modern, high-speed wireless protocol to cast music, podcasts, or mobile audio seamlessly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Ultra-compact footprint, designed with extreme space-saving dimensions. The main bar stands at only 2.6 inches tall and 15.7 inches wide, sliding effortlessly beneath compact television frames or desktop monitors. 4-inch bass MX subwoofer, equipped with a compact, dedicated 4-inch subwoofer powered by proprietary bass MX technology.